Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to attempt to restore this tool. I found this tool in a abandoned rice dryer where I live, and this probably has been rusting away for, I'm gonna guess, maybe, I don't know, 20 years, 30 years. It's been a while, and I cannot even get it open. It is practically stuck. I'm going to use Evapo-Rust. This is one of the most common rust remover, and there has been many videos out there comparing it, and it's not the cheapest, it's not the most expensive either, but it is somewhat, I guess, from 1 to 10, probably like number 7 or 8 on the list of the best bang for the buck. And yeah, so just going to do this experiment and let you guys see how effective the Evapo-Rust is for restoring tools like this, or any metal tools, and how long the process take, and what to expect, and what is the end product, what end result is going to look like. Alright, so let's do it. First thing I'm going to do is just submerge this into Evapo-Rust and wait. The result, I'm going to take a video probably every 24 hours and see how the result is, and see if we need to change the water. I mean, not the water, the Evapo-Rust. So I'm going to place the pliers here like that and put Evapo-Rust all over it, submerging it, and I'm going to have a daily log, daily video showing the progress. Okay, so the Evapo-Rust has been poured. The color is kind of like greenish yellow, and there are some bubbling up. So hopefully you can see the plier in there. It's still obviously very rusted. This is not even day one. This is minute 1 of this application. And I'm going to write down on a piece of paper our journey and how long this takes until we get this tool completely restored. By the way, if you would like to buy Evapo-Rust, I'm going to put the link in the description, and also in the first comment. This is a really good rust remover. I've used this in the past, but I've never used it to restore tools. And if you use my link, it will help with some commission from Amazon, and help to create more of these kind of videos. Much appreciated. This is 3 hours into the process. The bubbles have cleared to the side, but I don't see any improvement on the rust itself. Currently 6 hours from the beginning when we poured, all the bubbles are gone, and the water has turned darker green. I can see that the pliers actually is not as rusted anymore. At least the brownish color are gone. Yeah, it looks like there's some improvement. This is 6 hours. Okay, this is 1 day after, so 24 hours after. You can see that the a lot of the rust has been eliminated from the top, and a lot of them are actually towards the side of it. There's a lot of rust here on the side. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. No, that's maximum zoom. So let me try to move this, and so you can see that there's a lot of rust residue there. Yeah, so the rust has been kind of flaking off, and I'm just using a small screwdriver here, and I'm able to kind of like scrape off the actual rust itself off the plier. So it's actually looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to try to turn this around to see what the other side looks like. But you can see there, wow, I think the blue part of this maybe is fading off. But yeah, you can see all those remnants of the rust. And I'm going to try to grab this using a plier, another plier, and turn this around. Whoa, okay, kind of drop that. And yeah, this side of the rust is not that bad. Let's see if I can open this thing. Nope, can't open it yet. Yep, can't open it yet. It's still lock solid. Alright, so this side of the rust is not bad at all, and it looks like the other side is almost gone after 24 hours. After we scrape it off, yeah, it looks like it's just now pure metal. Okay, I'm not sure if it's time yet for us to remove it. I think a good test would be if I would leave this probably for another 24 hours so that we can take a look. Oh, crap. Okay. Yep, looking pretty good. Okay, make sure, I forgot to wear my gloves, but yeah, when you're dealing with this, make sure you wear your glove. Okay, I'm going to secure all of this and do some wiping and cleanup. Okay, right now is about 48 hours since the time that we first put it on into this Evapo-Rust, and as you can see here, that the metal has turned completely black. I guess that's the original color of the metal of this plier, and it's looking actually really good. Let me flip it around real quick for you to see the other side. As you can see, all the rust have gone away, and they're actually there all at the bottom of the plastic bin here. And I think this is has been very successful. I'm going to get a rubber glove so that I can pick this up and see if I can actually open up the plier to see if that works. Alright, so I'm trying to open it now. Man. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. It's pretty hard still, but at least I can open it. Before, can't open it at all. So I'm gonna dry it up and lubricate it using WD-40 and see if we can get this plier completely working again. Just want to create this last part of the video. This is the plier after it has been lubricated and cleaned up. It's so good, as you can see there. It's all clean up, no rust, and on the other side, that is not rust, that's actually oil or lubrication. I just put WD-40 basically to lubricate, nothing special. I did not even put penetrating oil. The rust is all gone. It's so loose that even if I just hold it like that and then let go of the bottom part, it'll just open. And yeah, so I can operate it with my hand. It's perfect. Alright, well, anyway, thanks for watching this video about the tool restoration. So, and it's been good learning experience. So this was using Evapo-Rust. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.